Pretty nice day. Feels like about 72 degrees in San Diego in the winter. What's today? February 17th? 18th? Jet flying over. Come on. Pretty nice here, everybody. 360 view while I spin around because Susie Q got me wrapped up with the wrong way with the leash. Oh. Stopping for a pee break. All those dogs out there chasing. Wow. That's cool, huh? Look at them running. Oh. Rather chase the dog than get his green frisbee. Oh, the kid's got it. Cool. Well, everybody, look at the color of the green of that grass. Wow, it's pretty here. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Bye. Well, I thought I pressed the button to say bye. I'm going to try it again. Bye.